Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to the 54th episode of Campus This Week. I'm Arjani from English Department Sonada 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Siliguri alumnus of 2016 batch. India, Pope Francis appoints former governing board president Father Nirmol Gomes new Bishop of Krishnagar. He is the 12th alumnus of Salesian College Sonada made Bishop. Manhun Langlingdo of Psychology Department 4th semester reports.
Father Nirmol Gomes, born on 8th February 1959 in Ranaghat, in the Diocese of Krishnagar, entered Salesian aspirantate at Bandel and completed his novitiate at Sunnyside, Shillong on 24th May 1979. After his philosophy studies in Sonada, Darjeeling, he pursued his theological studies at the Pontifical Salesian University in Rome, where he was awarded a doctorate in the science of education. Ordained a priest on 22nd July 1989 in his native town of Ranaghat in Nadia district, Father Gomes, 63, holds a licentiate in pedagogy also from Pontifical Salesian University, Rome. After being 6 years Dean of Studies at Salesian College Sonada, Father Gomes was a rector for another 6 years at Salesian College Sonada from 2000 to 2006 and later rector of Don Bosco School, Siliguri. Before serving current position as assistant director at Salesian Novitiate in Dhajia, Father Gomes served 6 years as a provincial superior of Kolkata province.
Sonada Special Assembly marks Press Freedom Day 2022. Pratiksha Chetri of Mass Communication 6th semester reports.
Student Council President Mr. Rivers Diwali of Mass Communication and Journalism Department 6th semester delivered a talk on Press Freedom Day 3rd May 2022. He briefly explained this year's theme, Journalism under Digital Siege, highlighting the multiple ways in which surveillance and digitally mediated attacks endanger journalists and journalism.
Siliguri Elite Talks enthuse students for public speaking. Neha Batra of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri held Elite Talks, an interdepartmental event on 28th April organized by English and Mass Communication Department. The event allows students to make public presentation using the principles of verbal communication, demonstrate self-confidence and poise in speaking before peers and general public, and strengthen their communication skills. 12 students spoke on topics like power of words, fear of failure, this is not the end, and many more engaging topics. Certificates were distributed to each participant, and Surbi Pakrin from 6th semester English department received the Best Speaker Award. Aditi Agarwal of Mass Communication 2nd semester was the anchor, and Assistant Professor of Mass Communication Ms. Sharmishta Pradhan gave the vote of thanks.
Siliguri NSS Volunteers celebrate May Day honoring college staff. Chiring Chodan Kazi of Psychology Department reports.
On 2nd May, NSS Unit 2 celebrated May Day to commemorate the efforts and victories of the workers' class and labor movement. For this first ever event held in the college, NSS members invited all staff members for the special program and honored them with khadas and appreciation cards. The program, anchored by Aditi Agarwal of Mass Communication 2nd semester, included some group songs and dance performances by the NSS volunteers. The program was made more interesting with the spontaneous participation of staff members with songs and speeches. The 1-hour program ended with refreshments.
Sonada, Mass Comm department holds webinar on understanding the role of psychology in mass media. Anjal Chhetri of Mass Communication, 2nd semester, reports.
The Department of Mass Communication and Journalism organized a webinar on media and psychology, understanding the role of psychology in mass media on 28 April 2022. Assistant Professor Ms. Shruti Chhetri welcomed and introduced the guest lecturer Ms. Nanda A. Vardhana, a mental health professional currently working as teacher at Psychological and Telehealth Counselor in Jakarta, Indonesia. Ms. Vardhana talked about children and television advertising, media literacy, the rise of social media, the media mind, self and society, technology and human behavior. Students from Sociology department also joined the program and interacted with the speaker along with the student of Mass Communication department.
Siliguri, college marks principal's birthday with mega events. Al-Mazareen of Mathematics Department, 6th semester, reports.
The campus celebrated the birthday of Salesian College Rector and Principal Father Professor George Thadathil in Marengo Hall on 2nd May 2022. Faculty, office support staff and core group of student council joined the felicitation program organized by Dean of Arts and Humanities, Assistant Professor Peter Lepcha. Dean of Sciences, Assistant Professor Mr. Dhirudatta Subha introduced the celebrant before the short cultural program by both faculty members and student representatives. After Father Principal shared his thoughts on the occasion, Mr. Ravi Bhushan Singh, Head, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, proposed the vote of thanks. It was followed by a dance and the cake cutting ceremony and high tea for all at St. Kilian Hall.
Sonada, Salesian Team visits 100 years old college in Tamilnadu. Dr. Terence Mukhya, Dean of Arts and Humanities, reports.
Salesian College Visiting Team, comprising of 5 members, 3 from Siliguri and 2 from Sonada, led by Rector of Salesian College Sonada, Dr. Father Tommy Augustine. Team members for the 6-day special visit to Holy Cross College Autonomous, Trichy, from 26th April to 1st April 2022 included Dr. Father Babu Joseph, Dr. Terence Mukhya, Dr. Bikash Sarma, and Dr. Shilpita Gain. The visitors were given a warm welcome by Principal Sister Dr. Christina Bridget and faculty representatives at Tiruchirappalli Airport. The second day commenced with Holy Mass, followed by an official meeting with the Staff Council. After official welcome by Principal of Holy Cross College and exchange of mementos, 3 meetings followed in the conference hall with the research team, Holy Cross College MOU core team, and Incubation and Innovation Council. The third day was reserved for campus tour and visit to 2 adopted villages. The fourth day began with a pilgrimage to Velankani, a popular Marian shrine, and participation in the 99th College Day celebration of Holy Cross College. The fifth day was reserved for a visit to Kodaikanal Hill Station. On the 6th day, arriving at Bagdogra Airport, the team had an exit meeting cum lunch at Glenvery's Marina Hotel near airport. The members dispersed after having reported to the principal at Salesian College Siliguri campus.
Sonada, Salesian Siliguri girls lift Volleyball Trophy. Shreyoshi Saha of Mass Communication, 4th semester, report.
Salesian College Sonada held an inter-college volleyball tournament in memory of late Dr. Father Varghese Kaluvachel, who died in 2020. Dr. Father Varghese was the principal of Salesian College Sonada from 1993 to 2000. There were 8 boys teams and 6 girls teams participating in the tournament. The boys' team of Bijanbari College gave a tough competition to the competitors and emerged victorious. In the women's category, Salesian College Siliguri held the first position. The winners received medals, trophies, and certificates.
Siliguri, Mass Comm department celebrates Satyajit Ray's 101st birthday. Saloni Bansal of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
Mass Communication and Journalism organized the student seminar to mark the occasion of 101st birth anniversary of Bengal's legendary filmmaker Satyajit Ray on 2nd May 2022. Anchors Salomi Wright and Saravi Thakur welcomed the audience and gave a short information about Satyajit Ray. Second semester student Manika Rana gave the life sketch of Satyajit Ray, the motion picture director, writer and illustrator who brought the Indian cinema to world recognition with Pathar Panchali and his two sequels, known as the Appu trilogy. As a director, Ray was noted for his humanism, his versatility and his detailed control over his film and their music. He was one of the greatest filmmakers of the 20th century. Satyajit Ray was awarded with the Oscar Award in 1992 for his work, but due to bad health condition, he could not receive it in person.
And here's our photo of the week, signing of MOU between Salesian College and Scottish Church College, Kolkata on 3rd of May 2022. This show is brought to you by Siliguri Alumnus 2016 batch. Those are the latest news for campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.